Good morning, guys. So it is currently the morning of the installation. I'm about to head over to Justin's house and then we're actually gonna start working on it, so hopefully everything goes well. Alright, so I made it to Justin's house. To give you a little backstory, I have no idea how to install bags, so this is gonna be my first. I'm just gonna wing it, so hopefully we don't run into any problems. So we have both of our stuff taken out, so we have access to what we need to do. Most of my stuff is over there. A little back panel here, so we have access to the battery. Hopefully, should fly by. Alright, and start assembling everything together, putting these on these. So what do we first begin to do? We put in the...
Well, I'm gonna run these under your underboards.
Okay.
And then, where'd it go? Then we just do a basic coilover and stuff. And
Alright.
wire everything up, neat thing.
Just need to assemble these first. These little bolts have a specific one compared to the front and back, so that's really big. I put it on without reading instructions, but luckily it was the right one. So yeah. Little update. This is the rear. So we just kind of took that off. And get the instructions that we're gonna make. Alright. So, quick update. We're about halfway done. Oh, that's really bright. Pretty much finished with the rears and the front. Only thing we are missing over here, so we just have this as a reference so we know what we're doing. So update, got everything set up. Good. Yeah, so we have everything set up. Wasn't too bad. We started around 10. It's currently 3:40. Now all we have to do is worry about the wiring, which I don't know how long that will take. Oh.
Yeah, you know how like Corner was like the new suspension company?
Yeah?
Yeah, that they got robbed. They just moved in like a day ago.
Oh.
So, dude, your car's in pieces. How are you gonna? What are you gonna do when you return this lease? Does Chase Bank know that your car's going SEMA?
This is the SEMA crunch.
Oh, dude, these won't even fit. Dude, I wish these fit on my car. I need traction, dude. How's the strut install? Easy, hard. What's up? Strut install.
It's easy if you know how to do it. Because they're having trouble. And
your hand?
I did like half an hour.
Dog, your hands are so clean.
So I washed it, dog. After I finished, I washed it.
Wow, you guys can build a car in here. Like, you have everything to build a car. Is that a welder? That's freaking awesome. 129 already had something in there, so
I'm gonna use it.
yeah, if you plug it, it might explode. So be careful. How does that work? You just
I can't help you. I just forced the phone.
Slide it into the...
what? That's sick. I didn't know that's how you did that.
Here we go. Oh.
What the f?
Hopefully it'll be alright.
Yeah.
You need light?
No, he's gonna be on. He's gonna be on fire right now.
Alright, that fuse goes in there.
Looking good. Looking good.
We'll see, because it's like really straight up, and I think if this goes down, will it smush it?
Oh, there's extra space on
No.
Oh no, yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Thanks. Put it in your booty.
Is that how you put it in, Dad?
God, Jesus. This one's gonna come out retarded like Thomas. Oh, shit. Too soon.
Right there.
Alright, another one, please. Oh, I just scratched your wheel. Dick pattern? Or what is it again? What kind of pattern?
Dick pattern.
Dick pattern. So it's top portion. Oh, gotta do the balls first. What? I didn't hit shit today. Put all this stuff back so you don't lose it. That's what she said. Sorry.
Oh, dude, I don't think it's long enough, man.
That's also what she
Pull it
said.
back.
So these ones in the back are gonna be super short.
Once I shove it in, it's good, right?
That's also what he said.
Huh?
Not coming back. I just shove it in once and it's good.
Yeah, pull it, shove it all the way in and pull it out to
Alright,
see if it
stop.
locks.
Alright, we're good. It's not coming out.
I'm sure you did a mighty good job there. So I'll splice them and you connect them?
Yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Cool. So they've been working on it for at least like 10 hours. It's been a long day for you guys, but they're almost
It's
done.
supposed to be caught in this thing.
It's almost done.
Just when you fed it through something.
This is, it's so difficult. That's why I'm more of a coilovers guy. This is way too difficult. Yeah, this is insane. I don't,
Wait, feed it
I'm
back.
down to do it myself, but it'll take me forever. And I want to do it on a car that doesn't have so many covers. Was it easy?
Car's easy as fuck.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. I don't know. But I'll come back to it once we get it all set up and we do the calibration process. That should be pretty cool.
Okay, try it.
Try it.
The fuel pump, like, or whatever. Nothing?
Nothing. It's running.
Turn on the car?
Should I turn on the car?
Try it, get it.
All right.
So everything's off though, so be careful.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna cold start. Nada.
No power?
No way I can do this.
So we aired out, kind of. Not even, we're on ride height and this is how it looks like. BAM! Look at the clearance, gun. And this is not good. So I think we can just adjust the height of the front. Oh, the front's good? Let me see.
That's 60 PSI. That's
Oh, that's really nice.
perfect.
Front's amazing. Wow. Dude, this is low. This is so sick. But it's so fucking scary.
Is that side different?
No, it's... You can't, you get, like, he
Fuck. Yeah, so all we gotta do is adjust that shit.
This is insane, dude. His car looks freaking amazing. But oh my god, that's so much work that goes into it. Now his rear is riding too low. They need to adjust the coil to make it higher because he's riding at like 90 psi in the rear, and that's like off-roading status. Like 90 psi will push your car up really, really high. Imagine if he was at 50, his car would like be bottomed out already. So that is one of the biggest issues of bags, but he's gonna leave it over here tonight. We're gonna come back tomorrow morning. We gotta buy a few things. We also need to adjust it because the coil needs to be higher. It's way too low. So yep guys, bags. So after a long ass day, the job is 95% done. We gotta finish a few more things tomorrow. We gotta put in a new fuse tap. We need to hide the wires. I don't know, we still got a bunch of stuff to do tomorrow, but it's almost done. It's late, we like missed out on dinner. We gotta come back home and eat leftovers, so that's okay. Are you happy with the setup?
Yeah, I'm happy with the setup. I just need to adjust the rear and everything should
It's
be
pretty,
good.
it looks cool, but it's pretty, it's a lot of work to it.
Yeah, it's
So,
a
you
lot
guys
more
are-
than I thought.
It's a lot of work, especially on Beamers, but we're 90 something %. So until tomorrow guys, peace.